Hello everyone, Stephen Barron here. Today I'm going to show you what you need to do to download the list of software installed on your laptop on your PC. So right now I am on control panel listing all the programs installed on my computer. But suppose I want to download all this, or I want to have a list of these softwares installed on my computer. Maybe I want to share it with someone else. Instead of just taking a snapshot, I would just want to give an editable file. So there's no option here. It will be there's no option here for you to download it. The best way that you can do is to open command prompt and run a query. I'm going to show you here and run a query wmic space product space get name. Then run it. It's going to take a few seconds to run, but it will give you the list of all the software that is installed on your PC. So now after you install it gives you all the names. You can then share with someone else. You can do whatever you want with those list of software installed on your PC. So whilst doing that, I'm going to open Excel. I'm still going to wait for it. It's going to think, go through, compute it, and very soon it's going to return all the software installed on my PC. There you go. So they're quite a lot for me, but it tells you every little software installed. I'm just going to go all the way to the bottom, highlight everything, control copy, then I'm going to paste it in my Excel, control V. So this is how you can download or get all the software that I installed on your laptop. Thank you. Bye-bye.